iced coffee. I wanted to be there by now, but I'm still walking. So hard for a good portion of the day, and then as I was like, ooh, I'm gonna go now. Oh my gosh, there's so many birds. I'm going to go paint some pottery, maybe. I don't know. This place has mixed reviews. That makes me nervous. But today's supposed to be the last day of week 12 of the Artist's Way, and I would love to like gift myself maybe a mug to commemorate it. Yeah. Wanted to go paint pottery, and I thought that's what I was going to do, but the time that they closed was not the time on the Google. So since I was already here, I actually ended up going to the gym because I pay for a gym membership that I have not been to in a very, 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 very long time. I'll try tomorrow for pottery place. That just gives me more ideas on what to create. I'm trying not to look awkward while recording in public, but that's how today went. I just painted pottery. I painted myself a mug as a little, I guess, gift for finishing the Artist's Way. And today I have my last video chat regarding the Artist's Way with Max. On my mug I painted all these things that kind of reminded me of like the kind of doodles I would draw in my journal during morning pages throughout the last 12 weeks, and things that just reminded me of little Christina and my inner child. I wanted to write on the inside. I had like this very clear idea of what the inside would look like. It'd be yellow with like orange spirals all in it. That was too hard to do. And then I wanted to write, like when you lift it up and you go to drink it, you can see it says like beautiful and creative on one side, and then worthy and deserving on the other side. But they didn't have any like brushes that were small enough, so when I started writing it was like too thick. So I wrote grateful on the inside, but it's like really big. And that's okay because I am feeling grateful.